I think they came away with the right verdict.
And I want to ask you, Adante, what do you think really spoke to the jury? Because there were the insurance policies, there was a lot of video footage of where they were coming in and out of places, security footage, signing in, logging in to different security places. So how do you think that all played into the jury's verdict?
I think it was a large factor, and it came down on the side of them coming through with this verdict that they did, which was guilty. You know, the layers of the onion started to fall apart by way of the prosecution's case, with the video evidence, with the logins, with the changing and shifting story that she provided. It's the type of thing that when you're a defense attorney, you cringe when you watch your client give the type of testimony and interview that she gave to the police. She was not represented at that time. Apparently, in her own mind, she thought she might be able to sell that story. The problem is, many people don't realize the police are training to do interrogations every single day. And you walk in there thinking that, you know, you're going to razzle and dazzle and walk yourself out of there, when instead you just buried yourself underneath the jail. And that's what you saw happen here.
Yeah, which makes me ask the question, you know, why do you think prosecutors didn't play Earl Howard's interrogation video? Because it may have helped their case as well.
Well, a part of that is, you know, now you're talking about her story syncing up with his, and possible confusion on the jury's part, trying to keep track of the shifting stories. And that's muddying the waters. I think they looked at what they had as it relates to her own statements, which were condemning in and of themselves, and said, this is more than enough. This is overwhelming. We don't need to tempt fate by adding another factor into this, which may be a wild card. And instead, we'll just go with what we have, which is a defendant trying to explain away bad conduct, trying to explain away inconsistencies. And at the end of the day, you boil it down, guilty.
And the simplicity worked. Thank you so much. Well, great discussion so far, and it will continue on the other side of the break, but don't go anywhere. When we come back, much more right here on Law and Crime. Stay with us.